Alright, this tutorial is to help you create your Works Cited page. So once again, the first thing you're going to do is click on the no spacing, and then we need to go ahead and insert your header. Remember that what goes in your header is your last name and the page number. So if you are creating this on a new document, you're going to have to type in the page number manually instead of hitting the page number button like you did before. So you're going to go to Insert, you are going to click on the header, and you're going to click on blank, the first option, and we need that to be on the right side, so you're going to hit that right justification, align the text to the right, and this is where you type in your last name and the page number. Now make sure that your font is always set to Times New Roman 12 points. And I put page 7 because you're probably going to have 2 pages for your outline and maybe about 4 pages for your paper. So your Works Cited is going to appear on page 7. The only page of your paper that does not get a page number is the title page. Double click underneath to get back to the regular page. It went back to the font, so I'm going to have to change that again. Always watch for that. Now you're going to center your cursor, and this is where you type the Works Cited title, and make sure that you spell it correctly, and make sure that works is plural because you have more than one work that you have cited in your paper. Alright, now you're going to hit enter twice. You're going to send your cursor back over to the left, and then we need to set it up for a couple different things. The first is double spacing. You'll click here, go to number 2, and then we need to set it to hanging indentation. You're going to click on this little arrow down here on the paragraph box, and then you go to the indentation section, go over to special, hit the drop down, you're going to click on hanging, and then you're going to click OK. If you notice, this is what it's going to look like. They always give you a little preview so that you make sure you're hitting the right thing. This is what we want because we want the first line all the way over to the left and any lines that come after that for that same citation to hang kind of off of it. So go ahead and click OK, and then you'll be able to start typing your citations. Now, or your sources. So you want to make sure that your sources are in alphabetical order, and you want to make sure that you're very careful about punctuation, spelling, all of that stuff. I have drawn up for you an example, so when you are done, this is something like what your Works Cited is going to look like. And if you notice, there's lots of italicized or quotation marks, periods, commas, and it's all very nitpicky, detailed stuff. So when you are typing your Works Cited, you really need to be careful and double check that you're not making any errors. If you have any questions, you can always go to the Purdue Online Writing Lab website, and they have directions for each different type of source. Hopefully